Dev Shetty Hospital, we started in Tirmalgiri X Road with 120 bed hospital. We were running a hospital in Karimnagar by name Dev Shetty only from last 6 years. And this is a new setup. We have come up with 120 bed and every facilities of in the corporate system for very, very less price for the patients. And in Karimnagar also we served very well. From the last 6 years, everybody recognizes us as a very good hospital with the least charges. And for the white card people, Aarogyasri is doing their part. Apart from that, our hospital also, we have done a separate ward for them and we are doing at very, very little charges. And now, after coming here with the new setup, we were a little bit afraid for this first patient of this so much severe cardiac problem. But finally, our team, our anesthesia team, Dr. Suresh team, and their doctor, renowned doctors, obstetrician and gynecologist, all have accepted this to take up. It's a challenge for us. We will do for a lesser price also, but we have to take as a challenge. And they accepted this. Yesterday they have done the surgery, and now baby and mother are very, very fine. And we are also very happy from our side. And that female who has born, they are trying to give our hospital name also. We are happy for that, the regards they have for us. And for the rest of the things, all other departments are functioning very well. Totally we have set up with all 25 departments. In that main 6 departments, we have cardiac, ortho and neurosurgery and pediatrics, general surgery, emergency medicine. These are very much required in this place, Tirmalgiri X Road. And we are doing all these services for a very, very lesser price with all the modern amenities they require. And now our lab facilities and casualty and every CT machines, X-ray and ultrasound machine, digital X-ray, all to the par excellence. We have done our system-wise manner. And we are giving our canteen services, food services free to the patients for general ward patients only. We are giving free service to the general ward patients. And other departments and all the things we are going in a smooth way. Now we are ready to accept anything. If any poor patient, if they want to come and join our hospital, they can intimate us before only, so that we are unable to pay. Definitely we will take that case and we will help as a society people, as a doctors we are in this. Definitely we will help from our part from Dev Shetty. This Dev Shetty is a trademark for helping the poor people. Definitely anybody can challenge us and can come to us. We will try really to help them in our best possible way. Definitely we have planning of other branches in near future, and we are planning to extend to the Bangalore and nearby all the capital cities of the different parts of our India only. 100% we take all the surgeries, any major surgeries. We have 5 theaters with a beautiful OT complex with laminar flow, total system. We have done very good. There is no issue in not taking any this thing. And we have 25 bed ICU with 7 bed casualty. That is marvelous we have done. It's to the mark 100%. Tirmalgiri is on the way to Karimnagar. That's the important thing I forgot to tell. From Karimnagar, most of the patients will be moving to Hyderabad. They are facing a lot of difficulty in paying their financial parts. For that, we have set up in Tirmalgiri with a 100% with good intention only. And we are doing our services for those people. And here in this area also, we have 10 lakhs population. They are finding the difficulty. And we are having an ongoing 1 month free camp service for this first December total month as a new system. And all the consultations are free, and the diagnostics we are giving 30% discount for all the patients. And in future also we'll try our best to help the people. We are having that facilities online. They can register. They can go to our website www.devshettyhospitals.com. They can go and they register their name and do this. They can get their services available. We have put up everything in that.